Alright, what up, YouTube? I'm out here trying to figure out the best way to wire up this fuel system, man. This is my brand new gas tank, new sending unit and fuel pump, and it's my old shit. The old one didn't have a baffle in it, man. And this fuel sending unit only had this ground wire and this one goddamn pink wire right here. So my plan is, god damn, I just fucking hit my head on that shit. So my plan is, man, I bought these connectors, male and female. So I'm gonna take this one off, put this one on. The other side, I'm gonna add this ground wire. I'm gonna add this pink wire. And then I think the third wire gonna come from the wiring harness that I buy. I'm gonna end up going with the painless wiring harness or the current performance one. And I know that jank come with the relays on it already, so I shouldn't have to buy no relays for this shit. So I'm trying to figure out, is this the best way to wire this jank up, man? Is to do it like that. Just run that fuel pump wire from the harness to this, and then I'm done. And I'm thinking I'm not going to reuse this ground in the factory spot, which was like right there, which was like right up there. I may go ahead and put the ground in the inside or something. I might as well go ahead and give y'all a quick walk around while I'm right here, man. It's my baby. I really ain't been back in the inside of this jank since I moved to the outside. Yeah, that's where we at with it. Painted up the whole frame. Painted up the engine bay. Damn, that sun bright as shit. Painted up that brake booster. Oh, let me make my way over there. Yeah, that sun cooking. My whole front end is damn near done, man. I just got to put that steering gearbox back, but give y'all a look up under that bitch. Got the QA1 coilovers. Pro Forge steering links. I got the move control arms though, man. Went ahead with the stock control arms. QA1 one, I'm about to beat my head in for them janks. These bitches will work just as good. But yeah, that's where we at with it, man. I'm trying to figure all of this shit out so I can go ahead and put the fucking tank up. Finally put my rear end back. I got the whole QA1 set up for the back. I'm gonna set the ride height. And yeah, man, I'm gonna start working on that motor and trans, man. I might even go ahead and pull this top off, man, because I've been dying to do that jank. Put a sunroof up in this bitch. But yeah, overall, man, is this the best way to wire this shit? That's what my plan is, man, and that's what I'm about to start doing. The fuel pump from a 96 Impala. The fuel sending unit from a 1990 Caprice, and the tank from a 90 Caprice. I got my fuel hose coming in today. I'm going with PTFE lines, so I got PTFE fittings. So this shit came from fucking Amazon. And yeah, tap in with your boy, man.